Xing Shang Tai Tai Lai Ho. My name is Gina, 36 years old. I'm from Metro Manila, Philippines. I'm single. I have two sons, age 9 and 15 years old. My highest educational attainment is undergraduate for 2 years course into computer technology. My hobby, cooking, baking, organize things, and I am pet lover. I have dog named Sanji. My expertise is children care as I work as a helper in Philippines from 2 years from March 2020 to December 2022 in a family with 2 kids, 13 years old and 2 years old. My duty are taking care of children, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn saving from money from my family and support my family. Willing to good care a new baby. I can sing nursery song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world soar high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. My future employee, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, diligent. The most importantly, I am all-around person. I promise the good housemate. I promise I prioritize my job to finish 2 years contract and more. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I'm looking forward for work as soon as possible. Thank you.